Welcome to EC Addons. Let's start. Make sure it enable from Essential Classy tab. Let's jump in Elementor editor and drag and drop Popup widget. In Popup, we have left, right, top and bottom direction options. For Popup button, we have text and icon options. Using content width, you can manage width of Popup template. Also, you can manage close button icon or text. Also, we have exit intent, pop-up on page load options. Let's check styling options of Popup. Let's check sample layout using mobile menu widget. An exit intent pop-up is a website feature designed to detect when a user is about to leave the page, triggering a pop-up message to capture their attention and encourage engagement, such as subscribing, offering discounts, or highlighting important content.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.